What are some other ways that you help them to blossom? I know we have to think about jobs and insurance and everything else. Is there any special insurance for adults, for genetically handicapped adults, I guess you'd call them?
Right. The GHPP is one form of insurance that a lot of my adult patients have. It depends. Some of the older ones will have insurance through their job or through their work, others will have it through GHPP. Of others that will have Medi-Cal or other forms of insurance. So it varies depending on the patient and what their career is, and whether they're student, and also their age. Up to a certain age they can still be covered with their family's insurance, but at a certain age they do have to break out onto their own.
We were talking earlier with Priscilla and Matthew, just that they kind of gathered their friends around and let their friends know. What happens with the adults if they're at work? Are they letting people know, or are they really trying to keep hidden and they just have sometimes it's a...
I mean, I think it varies. I think there are situations where certain patients feel that if they let their employer know that could jeopardize their job. And I have patients who do not want to inform their employers of their disease, and try to keep it to themselves. There's others that are much more open about it. Part of it also depends on the severity of the disease. I think patients who are older, some who are in their 40s or 50s, generally have more mild disease, and it's easier for them to not disclose it. Whereas others who have more severe disease and are more incapacitated, have functional limitations, it's not so easy.
Well, Dr. Belkin, it's been a pleasure having you on our show. I think the time has gone pretty quickly here. You have played a tremendous role, both as a professional colleague for me, someone I can discuss things with, but also thank you for making that trip down from Santa Barbara, and I don't know what that traffic is like going back sometime. It's going to be a real pleasure to have a second site in Santa Barbara, able to see our patients up in Morro Bay and Lompoc, and really to bring the new research and bring it to the patients, because we are so close to really extending the life so that all my patients are going to be seeing you, and hopefully I'll be out of business. So Ventura, thank you for your support of the Pediatric Diagnostic Center. I have to tell you, we have our adults are seen there as well. It's been a real pleasure to have Dr. Belkin and Priscilla and Matthew share their stories. We're going to continue on and hear from parents and back again with the kids, because this has been a remarkable event. So Ventura, let's keep moving and get moving.